Do you know you can translate any messages or chat in WeChat automatically without copy or pasting or take any screenshot of chat in WeChat? Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. Next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to settings. Next thing you need to do is to go to general. Next thing you need to do is to click on translate. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to select the language you want to translate into. Click on here. So I'm going to simply click on here. Now from the drop down right here, you can choose any language you want to automatically translate into. So by default, I'm putting it in English language. Having choose the language, click on go back. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Auto translate messages received in chat. Turn on this button. It's that simple. So if anybody chats you in whatever language you do not understand, it will automatically translate to the particular language you choose right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about which that topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.